Are you looking for reliable dumpster rentals in Marblehead, Massachusetts? Eric Z Disposal has you covered. Whether renovating your home, clearing out your garage, or managing a construction site, we have the right dumpster for your needs. Our state-of-the-art dumpster services ensure that your project stays clean and efficient. You can choose from various dumpster sizes, whether a small one for minor cleanups or a large one for major projects. At Eric Z Disposal, we pride ourselves on exceptional service. Our friendly team is committed to providing fast, reliable, affordable dumpster rental services. We're committed to responsibly protecting the environment by disposing of waste and supporting local recycling efforts. At Eric Z Disposal, we're more than just a service, we're part of your community. We pride ourselves on our reliability and commitment to meeting your project needs, professionally and punctually. Need a dumpster? Call Eric Z Disposal at 781-593-5308, and our team will help you choose the right one. Visit our website at www.ericzdisposal.com, Dumpster Rental Marblehead MA, and partner with us for a cleaner, more efficient Marblehead. Eric Z Disposal, your partner in professional waste management.